Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I have a 12-seater dining for you. I'll give the details about the wood, the paint, the crafting work, everything. Before that, I like to mention a couple of points here. First, we make everything customized. Customized means something that you like, that you want, and not what we have. Mostly it happens when you walk in a showroom, you see standard units sitting there, you pick one and get it at your home. But when you are designing everything in your home, the wall colors, the theme, the wallpapers maybe, or the chandeliers, or anything that you want, and you're putting everything in place, why not to get the furniture that is the jewelry of your home as per your choice? And this is what we do. Choice wala furniture. Stuff that you're looking at isn't teak wood, it's not resin, it's not fiber, it's not any other wood. It's teak wood, solid teak wood that lasts for years and years to come. The paint that we have done is all high quality. Sirka, Nerolac, Asian paint. We use the best quality paints that are available in the market. And the work. Let me show you the work now, and you will see how well we are doing it, what we are doing, and the best part is what Indian artisans are doing. This is not made in Dubai or Egypt or Turkey. This is made right here in India by local artisans, master artisans, and the output is right here. This is going to Karnataka, and this is a 12-seater dining. Two master chairs, 10 regular chairs without the handle. I'll explain that point also. Before that, let me give you the sizes. It's 12 feet left to right, from that corner to this corner, left to right, 12 feet and 4 feet wide, 30 inches standard height for a dining table. Then we have a chair 2 feet by 2 feet, and the back height is 62 inches. These are broadly the dimensions. Now let me show you the chair. This is the master chair. The master chair is the one that has got handles, and also known as the king chair or queen chair, because they are mostly kept on both sides of the dining. And the design is from a catalog picture. The curves, the cuttings, the carvings, the finesse that you see in the work is the work of master artisans that I've shown you in more than 1500 videos on YouTube already. I'll sit on it. Let me show you the space, the comfort, and the overall looks. The back, you can see, when you have good back height, it gives the look of the throne. And this is what Maharaja furniture is all about. I can sit very comfortably, my hands are resting easily. I can sit like this, and the overall work you can see right here. And this one is a regular chair without the handles. So there's the handle difference, rest all design is same. And the unique thing about most of our dinings is the back part. A completely carved designer back that you don't get in plain furniture or other molded furnitures, and this is all hand carved work, because double carving is not possible so far by any machine or CNC, and that's how it is done right here. The color is black Duco paint with gold highlights on teak wood, and the fabric is provided by the client himself. So I don't know the cost of the fabric, but a very beautiful fabric as the client has selected. I'll move on to the dining table. Let me remove the chair. Being in teak wood, they are not lighter. It has got a little weight. Here it is. The wood strips that you're looking at the bottom, these wood strips are not part of the dining. We are just to make it secure, because it's a very long piece, and when we are transporting, we have put some strips so it can be easily transported. There are screws underneath, just remove the screws and it's ready for use. We have got a pillar right in the middle and 4-leg dining, because it's a long dining. That's why we have to get a pillar to give it the ample support it requires. And the overall work you can see right here. Fine carving with highlights of gold and black paint is giving the unit the required look that the client want. And this is what we are working on. What you want, we make that. Other thing is home delivery. Such huge units, such big stuff is not that easy to transport. But we have done it for thousands of clients, not just in India, but across the globe. And this is what we are doing. If you go to our website, in the testimonial section, you will find thousands of pictures for all the stuff: beds, sofas, zula, even partition screens, temples, so much stuff, so many dining sets, the entire home stuff we have prepared and delivered safely to 55 plus countries, not just India. Every part of India we have covered already. And this is what is the main thing. You are getting what you want, you are getting it right at your home, on your door, safely delivered. Best quality wood, teak wood, the brand of Aarsun, the quality and trust of Aarsun, and at factory price. Factory price means that we are making it, you are receiving it. There is no middleman, no commission agent, no trader in the middle, so always the best price. And we offer customization, size, design, color, fabrics, everything as per your choice. So you select what you want. The number is right here. We'll make it as per your choice, deliver at a home, and once you send the pictures back to us, we'll publish it on our website very proudly. The work you can see on our website or on YouTube with more than 1500 videos. There are so detailed videos, so many of them. You pick up 3-4 videos and you will get to know what we are talking about, what we have, how is it made, what the stuff is. We have shown raw stuff, we have shown finished stuff, so many designs already. And this has happened because people are trusting us. They are giving us orders. That's why we're making so many items, so beautiful stuff every day. The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.